Are you tired of working? Worried about emergency expenses? Degraded by friends and family? Finding it difficult to run your family with a single income? Looking for an additional source of income? Have you ever faced such situations? In order to avoid all these situations, why don't you start your own business? Do you know the benefits of starting your own business? You can change your lifestyle. You can fulfill all your dreams. You can face any emergency situations. You don't have to work under somebody. You can get respect and honor in front of your family and friends. Is this the kind of life you're looking for? Do you have the fear of loss or a problem with investment? Don't worry. Steams Direct offers you one-stop solution. Start your own business by becoming a dealer of Steams Direct. All you have to do is select a name for your company and register that with the state government. Initially, you can use your house as a point of contact. After seeing the profits, you can move into a commercial space. Steams Direct is a direct selling company. We buy goods directly from the manufacturers and services directly from the service providers and sell it to our customers by our consultants. We offer quality goods in an affordable price. We made this possible by eliminating the middlemen and advertising costs. The difference between Steams Direct and other direct selling companies are they create demand for unessential products and sell it at a very expensive price. But we deal with essential products like rice, pulses, edible oil, and other groceries, silk sarees, garments, furniture, mobile phones, and other electronics. Not only this, we also offer other services like insurance, mobile recharge, internet connection, loan, set-top box recharge, ticketing, laundry and dry cleaning, car and bike services, catering, computer education, self-employment and job opportunities. We also offer 200 different products and services to our consultants through our dealers. In order to make things easier for our dealers, they can appoint housewives, part-time job seekers, and people who are looking for additional source of income as our consultant. Appoint enthusiastic people as our consultant, and there is no joining fee. As our products are essential and cheaper than the market price, our consultants do not need any special marketing skills. If you become the dealer of Steams Direct, you will not be the dealer of one or two products. You will be the dealer of over 200 products. For each and every product and services sold by your consultant, you have a share in it. The margins will be less, but the volume will be huge. The average profit of a dealer is between 40,000 to 2 lakhs per month. When you increase the number of your consultants, you will make more profit because each one will be selling 200 different products and services. You might think this business is suitable only for urban cities. But to make dealers from villages earn more money, we have introduced self-employment and job opportunities. Your consultants will ask their friends and family who are looking for a job and better opportunity to upload their resume on our websites. If that resume gets shortlisted, the dealer and the consultant has a share in it. If your consultants know anyone running a small-scale industry, we will help them export their products, or if we have a requirement in our channel, we will buy them. Not only this, your consultant can refer an engineer and we will find a foreign investor for him. We'll make the investor and the engineer start their own factory. We will train the engineer to manufacture a product for which there is demand in the international market. The engineer and the investor will be the shareholders of the factory. The consultant and the dealer will have a share on their first consignment ship. So what are you thinking now? Are you interested in taking the dealership for all our products and services? All you need is a storage place. You will need to appoint a person who knows to operate a computer. Once you become our dealer, you will receive a welcome kit with the DVD, which explains the benefits and roles of a consultant. You will have to play this DVD to people who you think are suitable to become our consultant. On seeing the DVD, they will be interested to become our consultant. Consultant can earn up to 20,000 rupees a month. The dealer has to take out a printout of our product price list from our website and give it to a consultant. The price list will be updated on our website on a weekly basis. The The consultants will take orders and collect the payments from their neighbors, friends, and relatives. Then the consultant places the order and pays the dealer after taking their margin. The dealer should verify the order and place the order in our software and take the demand draft after deducting his commission. The demand draft should be in favor of Steams Agro India Private Limited, payable at Chennai. After taking the demand draft, the dealer has to mention the demand draft number in our software and send it to our distributor in that district. Once the distributor receives all the products ordered, he will call and inform the dealer to come and collect the material. After receiving the confirmation from the distributors, the dealer will have to go and collect the material from the distributor's godown. Once the dealer gets the goods to his storage point, he can ask the consultant to come and collect their respective orders. And simultaneously, the consultant can place their new orders also. Now, all you have to do is select the area where you want to be the dealer and check whether that area is available or not. If it is available, pay 3,499 rupees into our ICICI bank account. Steams Agro India Private Limited, account number 602705500315, Ananagar, Chennai. Fill the dealer application form, attach the copy of a bank challan along with 2 passport size photographs with your ID and address proof, and courier it to Steams Agro India Private Limited, 3/9 Sri Lakshmi Avenue, School Road, Kolattur, Chennai, 600099. On receiving your documents, we will send you an acknowledgement receipt with the agreement and the format for a guaranteed letter. Once you receive that, get a guaranteed letter from your known person who owns a house in that area. You might be thinking, how can I deposit this money in some other company's bank account? Don't worry. We are a company who started in the year 2007. We are the first company to introduce electronic cigarettes in India. Electronic cigarette is a battery-operated cigarette which is used just like a regular cigarette without tobacco. It gives smokers the same taste and satisfaction without the ill effects and smell. We are the only company to manufacture electronic cigarettes outside China. We are currently exporting our e-cigarettes in different brand names to many countries. Not only that, we are the first company to make this electronic cigarette made of gold and diamond. If you need a copy of it, you can get that in the 31st of May 2012 Times of India paper. We import and export coal from Indonesia. We import and export cement from Pakistan. We export maize to Indonesia and Vietnam. We have our offices in India, China, Hong Kong, Middle East, and Israel. Considering the demand in the international and domestic market, we have started a new initiative called Steams Direct. In Steams Direct, we buy goods directly from our manufacturers and sell it to our customers through our consultants. In order to manage the supply of our product, we appoint only one person as our dealer in every area. Use this opportunity and change your lifestyle. If you have any further queries, please feel free to call our regional sales manager. Our agent will have his number. The supply of our products and services starts from the 11th of July 2012.